Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Most precious and expensive sari, and its price is 1.5 lakhs. Chipko moment. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Satish Kumar and this is my English blog. Guys, today's blog is going to be very crazy, engaging and beautiful. You know why? Because today I'm going to explore and visit most vibrant, gorgeous and stunning city where people from more than 60 countries are living without taking care of any caste, class, religion, gender inequality, hierarchy and discrimination. And they are beyond all materialistic thing. Their main objective, main motive is maintain human harmony and taking care of each other, going beyond all materialistic thing. Okay, so come with me, let's explore that city. Yes, I'm talking about Auroville city. Auroville city is in Puducherry, the Union Territory of India. And guys, if you visited first time on my YouTube channel, then please like this video and subscribe my YouTube channel. Okay, so stay tuned with me till last of this video and have fun and enjoy whole video. So come with me, let's go to Auroville city. Guys, now we have left for Auroville and today I am very much excited because it's my first time I'm going to explore Auroville. And look, this is a beautiful and stunning view around sea. So come with me and join, let's have fun. Guys, we have come to Auroville and in my background that is parking area and we parked our bike and now we have to walk for 1.5 kilometer. Okay, and this is four-wheeler parking area. So now I'm going from here. Guys, this is whole map of Maitri Mandir Auroville and I will try my best to explore according to this map. And here you can see these are my two roommates Khwaja and Ashok, and here it is clearly mentioned Auroville doesn't belong to any particular authority, rather belongs to humanity, and by pausing you can read all these things. Okay, here is some brief history of Auroville, how and when established, who contributed in establishment of Auroville. You can pause this video and you can read all history, and these are some pictures belongs to when it was established. Guys, mainly from this point we will have to walk around 1.5 kilometer. Here bus and cycle facilities also are there, but we will go by walk because we need to explore things. And guys, from here you can purchase anything and they both are looking for something, but whatever is available here, that's price are very high, very expensive. First thing what we are going to visit, that is Kala Kendra Visual Arts Center. This is Kala Kendra Visual Arts Center. Now we are going inside, let's explore it. Now we are inside the Kala Kendra Center and this place is very peaceful, calm, and here they shown related to all architecture and art, and this place is very calm and peaceful. You can see. Okay, I'm showing you something related to Ramayana. Okay, come with me. Guys, what first thing I'm showing you that is related to Ramayana, and here you can see the glimpse of Ramayana, and here in this 8 incident mentioned, and this is that carved statue that is portraying 8 incident of Ramayana. Guys, here you can see this is whole proposed model of Oroville city that was established in contribution of 124 countries and 23 states of India. This is the art gallery we are showing you. Here are some paintings and this side some decorative material and these are brass statues. All brass statues are there. These are things related to cloths. Patta Chitra painting on Tusar silk. Now we are going downside. Already Ashok went there and let's see what other things are there. And here you can see this is Vinayak statue and here are different varieties of saris. Here it is showing Krishna Ras Leela on a single piece of wood. Guys, this is hand painted Patta Chitra saris and here they mentioned you can see its price 35k and with a special discount 29k and they shown in this sari Ramlila, Krishna Lila, Raja Holika Khela and Kunjarasa means all related to Lord Krishna. Okay, and this one is Sambalpuri sari you can see and its price is 65k with a special discount 45k. Okay, so you can imagine the rate of this Sambalpuri sari and here other collections of saris are there you can imagine and you can observe and these are some statues, carved statues. Okay guys, this is most precious and expensive sari and its price is 1.5 lakhs. You can imagine this is tie and dye silk sari. Oh my god, 1.5 lakhs. Oh, I completely stunned. So I'm leaving from here. Guys, these are photos. What symbolizing the countries who helped, who contributed to form, to establish this Maitri temple or Oroville city. They are representing their own country. Okay. And here in this wall, all photos are hanging. They all photos are belongs to inaugural ceremony during 1968 when Oroville or we can say Maitri temple inaugurated with the help of 123 countries and 23 states of India. And some photos are hanging here also. Now we are leaving Kala Kendra Center and now going to visit another site. This is Wildlife Art Gallery and Education Center. Now I'm going inside. This is Wildlife Center and here all wildlife animals are there and their statues are there. Actually they are not alive, their statues are there only. Okay, so let's leave from here. This side we are going for Maitri Mandir Town Hall and Unity Pavilion. Here bus system also is available, so you can go by bus and your cycle also. Actually cycle we have to take on rent from inside.
తెలుసా పార్క్ పైన తెలుసా ముళ్ళపంది బొక్కలో ఉండు బొక్కల ఫోటో తీసుకురా
We can go from inside. Oh.
ये सब क्या देखना पड़ रहा है? अच्छा है मैं अंधा हूँ।
गाइस कैसा लग रहा है यहाँ पर गाइस?
It is more beautiful. It is super.
It's feeling super and very nice feeling we are getting. very positive vibes are coming, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah. So it's our first time. We are enjoying in Auroville. Yeah, obviously. Yeah, you can come and have fun. This is very nice place, very peaceful, very
Yeah.
calm, and come and have fun. So we are going to do fun. Here some people are capturing their beautiful moment, and some people are taking rest because they are tired now. Oh, then through this way we have to go to see that golden sphere. Actually, this way is very slopey, and here are some beautiful flowers also. And this way is very slopey, like we are climbing on mountain. And this is way for Maitri Mandir viewpoint. So guys, congrats! Almost we have reached at the point from where we can observe, we can see that Maitri Mandir and that golden sphere. Oh my god, some positive smell is coming, and this is the first time when I'm going to see this golden sphere in real mode. So you are sitting here, huh? Really, you are so beautiful. Guys, now I'm at the main point of Maitri temple, and here you can see. Guys, look, this is the golden sphere of Maitri Mandir. Let me show you by zooming. Look, isn't it stunning? Today, first time I am seeing it in actual mode. Until now, I had seen it in pictures only. And here it is lake. They are making this lake, and this lake will be inaugurated in 2028. And here you can see workers are working in this lake. Actually, this lake will be inaugurated on the occasion of 150th birth anniversary of founder of this Auroville, Mira Alfasa, that is known as the mother. Now we are moving back from here because it's too much sunny, and we are hungry also. So we are going to eat something, and after eating, then we will explore other things. Okay, so come with me. I will show you eating point from where we'll eat. Okay, cafeteria or something restaurant. So Khaja, come. We are hungry now. You are not hungry?
Yeah, I'm hungry.
Khaja, what about you? You're not hungry? खाजा को खाना खाना है. Some people are going, but we are coming back. This man is looking for something to eat, and this man is saying he is not hungry. Tathastu. Guys, we are again under the same tree. We thought let's do some rest here because we're tired now. Chipko moment. We are saving this tree.
Hey.
And Khaja is leading figure of this this Chipko moment. Guys, look at them. These two kids are enjoying in reality without taking care about anything. This is the real fun. We are moving under the canopies.
Greenery. Yeah.
Bushes canopy. This is Bushes canopy. Now finally we are outside of main viewpoint of Maitri temple. This is the way. Through that we can go by bus, and this is also way. Look, cows are grazing grass, and let's capture them also. Le bhai, cow is giving pose. She is be like, now capture me. I'm giving different pose. You are giving pose by leaving grace, huh? So bye bye, I'm going. Okay guys, currently now we are at a small food shop, but we are not going to eat because they are not giving food according to my expectations. So guys, again we are there from where we started, and now we are departing from here. He's taking bike, so we are leaving from here. Come bro, let's leave from here. Bye bye, again we'll come to visit. Now we are going back because we are hungry.
లెఫ్ట్ పోతే తమిళనాడు పోతాం. లెఫ్ట్ గా పోయి డబల్ రోడ్ అయింది మనకు కాదు కదా.
வண்ணமுத்து மாரியம்மன் ஆலயத்தில் இருந்து தெய்வீக இசை கடிகாரம் ஒலிக்கும் நேரம். புல்லணி வாழ்வை
We are too much hungry, so we are wandering here and there in search of restaurant or any cafeteria to eat.
आने के बाद बात.
Oh, fried rice is being ready, but I will not take fried rice because this is chicken made. I will take Maggie. So finally, I would taken Maggie, and here Khaja taken fried rice, chicken fried rice, and Ashok also have taken chicken fried rice. So let's have it. Guys, finally I have come back to my hostel, and today we had fun, lot of enjoyment, and here I'm going to conclude my vlog. I hope you really enjoyed it and liked it. So have fun and subscribe my YouTube channel and like this video. Let's meet you in another vlog. Till then, Jai Hind, take care.